Tapping on a messenger notification but seeing nothing there on your Android phone? It's super annoying, right? This usually happens because of hidden unread message or leftover cached data. In today's video, I'll show you some quick and easy ways to fix it. So let's jump right in. Solution 1. Check for hidden or unread messages. Open Messenger, tap the 3 lines on the bottom corner, select Message Requests. Now review any unread messages under You May Know or the Spam section. After that, go back. In the Messenger search bar, type the name of a contact. Check for archived conversations that might have unread messages. Solution 2. Refresh or reopen the app. Fully close Messenger from the Recent Apps menu. After that, reopen the Messenger app. Now, swipe down on the message list to refresh it. See if you have any unread messages now. Solution 3. Clear app cache. Long press on your Messenger app on the app gallery. You will see options like App Info or an I button like this. Scroll down and tap on Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Make sure to avoid clicking Clear Data unless necessary, as it may log you out. Solution 4. Update or reinstall Messenger. Visit the Play Store and go to the search panel. Search Messenger. Now check for Messenger updates. If available, install them. But if there are no updates, uninstall the app and reinstall it to fix potential glitches. After that, restart your phone to resolve any system glitches causing the notification. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the Messenger showing notification but no message error on your Android phone. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like. Still having trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. See you in the next one.